Hello viewers, welcome to yet another unboxing video. Today I am with this green color envelope I had received from Shibankar of Hooghly, West Bengal. I had received this envelope on 21st of September 2020. Come on, let's unbox this green color envelope and see the foreign currencies coming out of this envelope. This was the nicely packed package received by me from Shibankar Paul. The first one is the newly introduced polymer edition of 20 baht of Thailand issued in the year 2022. On the obverse is the portrait of King Rama X Maha Vajiralongkorn. And on the reverse is the portrait of King Rama I Phra Yodfa Chulalok and Rama II. The second one is a 50 franc of Belgium. On the obverse is the portrait of King Bodindradebayavarangkun and Queen Fabiola of Belgium. And on the reverse is Parliament building in Brussels. The third one is a 20 Dirhams of United Arab Emirates, which is predominantly light blue in color. On the obverse is the portrait of Dubai Creek Golf and Yacht Club, and on the reverse is a Dhow or a small blot. The fourth one is a 10 Egyptian pound latest polymer edition issued in the year 2022. On the obverse is the landscape of Al Fatah Al Amin Mosque in Cairo, and on the reverse is Library of Alexandria, a pyramid and Queen Hatshepsut in Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York. The fifth one is a $5 of Canada issued between the year 1986 to 1991. On the obverse is the portrait of Sir Wilfrid Laurier with a backdrop of a west block of Parliament building, and on the reverse is a kingfisher bird. The sixth one is a $5 of Canada issued between the year 2001 to 2011. On the obverse is the portrait of Sir Wilfrid Laurier with the backdrop of a west block of a Parliament building, and on the reverse is a winter sport. The seventh and the last one is a $10 of Canada issued between the year 2001 to 2011. On the obverse is the portrait of Sir John A. Macdonald with the backdrop of a Parliament library, and on the reverse is a UN peacekeeper and veteran and children at a memorial. That's all about this unboxing video. Thank you for watching.
To know more about these coins and currencies, please visit our website at www.onearcher.com. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please mention the next interesting video that you want to see in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Thailand. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.